Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Pop-Tarts. These are 1000 times better than store-bought. They are so flaky, so flavorful, not too sweet. You are going to love them. Let me show you how to make them and let's get started. And because strawberry is my favorite flavor, this is what we're doing today. I washed, removed the stem, and let them dry on top of a paper towel. Then I'm gonna blend with some vanilla extract, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, you're gonna strain the whole thing. You're gonna make sure everything is smooth. Cook over medium heat until it comes to a boil. When it comes to a boil, it's gonna thicken. You're gonna cook it for 5 more minutes until it looks something like this. Remove from the heat, let it cool for 2 hours in the fridge, or you can make it the day before. Keep it overnight. Now you're gonna make the crust, and it's actually a pie crust, and you can make it the day before. The best way and the easiest way to make it is by hand. You don't need a food processor or any machines for it. All you need is 300 grams of all-purpose flour, some salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together and please try to freeze the butter for at least an hour before using. That's gonna help you a lot. You're gonna need 1 whole cup of unsalted, very cold butter. I'm mixing the dry and now I'm gonna grate the butter right on top of the flour. When you're finished with the whole amount, just try to work it so quickly with your fingers until it becomes a sandy texture. Try to do it so quick, and this is what you're looking for. We're gonna stop right there and add a 1/4 cup of icy cold water. A 1/4 cup of very cold water should be enough. You might need another tablespoon. Just as soon as you can form a ball, the dough should barely come together. You're gonna flatten and wrap in plastic wrap and place in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. This is also a step that you can do the day before. So you can prep the filling and the crust the day before and work on the Pop-Tarts the day of. It's totally up to you. The only thing left to do is the icing or the topping on the Pop-Tart. I'm gonna start with 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can add cream or you can add milk to thin, or you can even add pasteurized egg whites. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna mix until it has a nice consistency. You can flavor with vanilla extract. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of the strawberry that I made earlier. Now the crust is chilled and ready to go. I add a generous amount of flour to my working surface. Roll the dough thinly. You can patch it when it breaks so easily. And you're gonna reuse the scraps and make some more. You're gonna cut into 3 by 4 inch rectangles. And there are really no rules. You can make the shape you want. Use a cookie cutter and celebrate the occasion, whatever you like. You're gonna make holes in each pie crust, the bottom layer and the top layer. I use a toothpick or a skewer to do that. You're gonna spread a generous tablespoon of the strawberry filling. Make sure it's spread evenly and stay away from the edges. Spread top with another layer of the Pop-Tart. You're gonna secure the edges with a fork just like I showed you right now. Finish the whole amount. You're gonna secure the edges with a fork just like so. And at the end you're gonna brush with an egg wash. 1 egg beaten well. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Brush the tops very lightly, and you're gonna bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the bottom layer is a little crispy and golden. This will take 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, but every oven is different, so watch them carefully. These look and smell heavenly, nothing like I've ever eaten from a box. I wait for them to cool completely before I add the icing, the sugar icing. I add just like so. Finish with a little bit of sprinkles and enjoy the most amazing, delicious Pop-Tarts. The crust is so flaky. The filling is not too sweet, so flavorful, so fresh. What are you waiting for? Run to the kitchen and make some for your kids today. And until next time, bon appétit!